Opinion-free photo color correction online tools. 1. Google Photos. Google Photos is a service that allows you to store, organize, and edit your photos and videos. One of the features of Google Photos is the ability to correct the color of your photos, which can improve their appearance and quality. Here are some steps on how to use Google Photos to correct the color of your photos. First, you need to upload your photos to Google Photos, if you haven't already. You can do this by using the Google Photos app on your phone or tablet, or by using the Google Photos website on your computer. You can also sync your photos from other sources, such as Google Drive, Gmail, or social media. Next, you need to open the photo that you want to correct the color of. You can do this by tapping or clicking on the photo from your Google Photos library or album. Then, you need to tap or click on the edit icon, which looks like 3 horizontal sliders. This will open the editing panel, where you can adjust various aspects of your photo, such as light, color, pop, etc. To correct the color of your photo, you can use the color slider, which allows you to change the saturation and warmth of your photo. Saturation affects how vivid or dull the colors are, while warmth affects how cool or warm the colors are. You can drag the slider left or right to decrease or increase the color effect. You can also tap or click on the auto option, which will apply the optimal color adjustment for your photo. Alternatively, you can use the filters option, which allows you to apply preset color effects to your photo. You can choose from various filters, such as basic, BNW, cool, warm, etc. You can also adjust the intensity of the filter by dragging the slider below it. After you are satisfied with the color correction of your photo, you can tap or click on the save option, which will save your edited photo to your Google Photos library. You can also compare your edited photo with the original one by tapping or clicking on the compare icon, which looks like 2 arrows. 2. OneDrive Photo Editor. 3. LightX at https://www.lightxeditor.com/photo-editing/change-color-of-image. 4. Media.io, https://autocolor.media.io. 5. Cutout.pro, https://www.cutout.pro/photo-color-correction/upload.